National Saving Organization, NSO. The NSO works under the Directorate of National Saving. The Directorate has 12 regions and 365 branches in Pakistan. It offers many saving schemes which include saving account defense saving certificates, cause deposit certificates, postal life insurance, Mahana Amdani accounts and prize bonds. National holidays: 1. Pakistan Republic Day, March 23, 2. Labor Day, May 1, 3. Bank Holiday, July 1, 4. Independence Day, August 14, 5. Defense Day, September 6, 6. Death Anniversary of Quaid-e-Azam, September 11, 7. Birth Anniversary of Allama Iqbal, November 9, 8. Birth Anniversary of Quaid-e-Azam, December 25. In addition, the Government of Pakistan notifies holidays on Eid-ul-Fitr and Eid-ul-Adha, Ashura Muharram and Eid Milad-un-Nabi according to Islamic Calendar of Pakistan. 1. APNS, All Pakistan News Agency. 2. PFUJ, Pakistan Federal Union of Journalists. 3. APNIC, All Pakistan News Employees Confederation. 4. NECP, Newspapers Editors Council of Pakistan News Agencies of Pakistan. 1. AP, Associated Press of Pakistan. 2. INP, Independent News of Pakistan. 3. IPS, Islamabad Press Service. 4. PPI, Pakistan Press International. More information of Pakistan. Syed Ahmed Khan wrote Khutbat-i Ahmadiyya on 1869 in reply to William Muir's Life of Muhammad. Sir Syed retired from service in 1976. The total area of Pakistan is 796,096 square kilometers, 307,374 square miles. There are 27 divisions and 108 districts in Pakistan. The total number of primary schools are 169,087, middle schools are 19,180 and high schools are 13,108. The number of registered doctors are 92,248, nurses are 40,114 and dentists are 4,622. The first census of Pakistan was conducted on 9 Feb 1951. General Ayub Khan took over as the president on February 17, 1960 and General A.M. Yahya Khan took over on 31 March 1969. PPP was founded by Z.A. Bhutto on 30 November 1967. The 1973 Constitution of Pakistan promulgated on April 12, 1973. Dr. Abdul Salam was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in Physics on 15 October 1979.